Welcome to Sanjeevani Education Group. Sanjeevani Education Group is a IIT NEET coaching hub which is renowned for producing the rankers in different competitive exams from national level 11th and 12th JEE NEET, Standard 10 NTSC MTSC, 6th and 9 Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik exam, 5th and 8th scholarship exam, 7th Olympiads along with IIT NEET Foundation for all classes. We have experienced faculty who focus on the academic development of students. So dear parents, hurry up. For admission, visit Sanjeevani Education Group, plot number 13, Aditya Nagar, Gadkhera, Aurangabad, or call 95112 70135 or 95112 66680.
Good evening students, welcome in GK class. Today we are going to discuss about awards. In last lecture we discussed about National INSEE Engineers. So National INSEE Engineers we discussed, so now we are going to discuss about awards. In Dr. Homi Bhabha examination, the awards is a most common question. They ask about the awards. So let's discuss about the national awards, Indian honor system, the awards given by the Indian government. Here are some introduction and about the awards. The Indian honor system primarily stands for the awards issued by Indian government. The Indian honor system is broadly classified into 5 types: civilian, patriotic, literary, leadership and particular. First award, civilian award. The civilian award of Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the country. Was instituted in the year 1954. Any person without distinction of race, occupation, position or sex is eligible for these awards. It is awarded in recognition of exceptional service performance of the highest order in any field of human endeavor. The recommendation of Bharat Ratna is made by the Prime Minister himself to the President. The number of annual awards is restricted to a maximum of 3 in a particular year. On conference of the award, the recipient receives the sanad, means certificate, signed by the President and the medallion. So award does not carry any monetary grant. Here are the medal, Bharat Ratna medal. As you can see, there are emblem and the chakra. The first recipient of Bharat Ratna in 1954, I.C. Rajagopachari and Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, and third, Sir C.V. Raman. In 1997, Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization of defense technology in India. It is very important news for you, so note it. Padma Awards. Padma Awards are instituted in the year 1954. These awards are announced every year on the Republic Day. The award is given in 3 categories, namely Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian award in the Republic of India, is awarded for a distinguished service. Padma Bhushan, 3rd highest civilian award in the Republic of India for the distinguished service of a higher order. Padma Vibhushan, the 2nd highest civilian award of the Republic of India, is for exceptional and distinguished service. Here are the trophies. The awards, means Padma Award, seeks to recognize work of any distinct is given in a distinguished and exceptional achievement, service in all fields of activities or disciplines, such as art, literature, education, sports, medicine, social work, science and engineering, public affairs, civil service, trade and industries. All persons without distinct of race, occupation, position or sex are eligible for these awards. The recommendation made by the award committee are submitted to the Prime Minister and the President for their approval. No award is conferred except the recommendation of the award committee. The names of the award winner are published in the Gazette of India. The President may cancel and annul the award of the decoration to any person. The awards are announced on 26 January every year and are presented by the President of India in the awards presentation ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The ceremony is generally held in the month of March or April. No cash allowances or any facility or benefit in the terms of concession etc. in a rail or air travel is attached to these awards. Now, next, patriotic awards. Wartime Gallantry Award. First is Paramveer Chakra, the highest military award equivalent to Victoria Cross, which was replaced once India gained its independence. The Paramveer Chakra, that is PVC, in India's highest military decoration awarded for the highest degree of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. The medal has been awarded 21 times, 14 of which is posthumous awards, literally meaning bill or the cross of the ultimate brave. It is similar to the Medal of Honor in the United States and the Victoria Cross in the United Kingdom. The PVC was established on 26 January 1950, Republic Day of India, by the President of India with the effect from 15th August 1947, Independence Day of India. It can be awarded to officers or the enlisted persons from all branches of the Indian military. Second, Mahavir Chakra. Mahavir Chakra MVC is the second highest military decoration of India. Is awarded for acts of gallantry in the presence of enemy, whether on a land, at sea, in the air. The Mahavir Chakra MVC, literally Great Warrior Medal, replaced the British Distinguished Service Order DSO. The medal may be awarded to posthumous. Veer Chakra, third in precedence in the award for awaiting gallantry, wartime gallantry. Wartime gallantry awards are these all three. Veer Chakra is the Indian Gallantry Award presented for the acts of bravery in the battlefield. It replaced the British Distinguished Service Cross DSC, Military Cross MC, and Distinguished Flying Cross DFC. Award of decoration carries with it the right to use VRC as a post-nominal abbreviation. These are the three awards: Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra. Peacetime Gallantry Awards. Ashok Chakra Award, an Indian Military Decoration Award for a warrior courageous Ashok Chakra Award, an Indian Military Decoration Award for warrior courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. It is the peacetime equivalent of the Paramveer Chakra. It is India's highest peacetime military decoration awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or premeditated valor or self-sacrifice other than in the face of enemy. The decoration may be awarded either to military or civilian personnel or may be awarded to posthumous. It replaced British George Cross. Means some awards which are given in a pre-independence day. So in a pre-independence they are given like the British George, and in previous slide also we seen the DFC and DOC, DSSC. So these are already given in the pre-independence time, but after the independence we replace the names by our Indian names. Next, Peacetime Gallantry Award, that is Kirti Chakra. Second in order of precedence of Peacetime Gallantry Award. The Kirti Chakra is an Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the field of battle. It may be awarded to civilians as well as the military personnel, including the posthumous awards. Posthumous means after the death. After death, they can be given to the family member. It is the peacetime equivalent of the Mahavir Chakra. Then next, third Peacetime Gallantry Award, that is Shaurya Chakra. Third in order of precedence of Peacetime Gallantry Award, the Shaurya Chakra is an Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action and self-sacrifice while not engaged in a direct action with the enemy. It may be awarded to the civilians as well as the military personnel and sometimes the posthumously. It is the peacetime equivalent to Veer Chakra, and it is generally awarded to the counter-insurgency operations and action against the enemy during the peacetime. Wartime, peacetime service and gallantry awards. Sena Medal. The Sena Medal is awarded to member of the Indian Army of all rank for such individual act of exceptional devotion to duty or courage or as have a special significance for the army. Award may be made posthumously and bar is authorized for a subsequent award to the Sena Medal. No Sena Medals, it is for Navy. It is a gallantry award for servicemen in the Indian Navy. It is established by President of India 17 June 1960. Vayu Sena Medal, it is for Air Force. The Vayu Sena Medal is the Indian military decoration usually awarded in a peacetime for a job well done. However, it has been granted during the times of conflict or acts of gallantry in the face of enemy, though not in the same number as Veer Chakra. Now, let's continue with the literary awards. So, in the literary awards, we can see there are some literature awards are given in the field of literature, books, poems and other outstanding literary works. They are Sahitya Akademi Award, Sahitya Akademi Fellowship, Bhasha Samman, Translation Awards, Anand Komaraswamy Fellowship, Kumaraswamy Fellowship and Premachand Fellowship. Sahitya Akademi Awards. The Sahitya Akademi Award is a literary honor in India, which is Sahitya Akademi, India's National Academy of Letters, and annually confers. This award conferred to the writers of the most outstanding book of literary and merit published in any of the major Indian language recognized by Sahitya Akademi, New Delhi. It was established in 1954. The award comprises as a plaque and the cash prize of 1 lakh. The award's purpose is to recognize and to promote excellence in the Indian writing and also acknowledge new trends. The annual process of selecting awardees run by the preceding 12 months. The plaque awards by the Sahitya Akademi was designed by the Indian filmmaker Satyajit Ray. This is the kind of memento of Sahitya Akademi Award. Bhasha Samman. Sahitya Akademi gives the special award to the writer for significant contribution to Indian language other than 24 major ones and also contribution to classical and medieval literature. Like Sahitya Akademi Award, Bhasha Samman too comprised to plaque and a cash prize of 1 lakh from 2009. Sahitya Akademi instituted Bhasha Samman in 1996 to be given to writers, scholars, editors, collectors, performers, or translators who have made considerable contribution to the propagation, modernization, or enrichment of languages concerned. The cash prize was 25,000 at the time of inception, increased to 40,000 from 2001, 50,000 from 2003, and to rupees 1 lakh from 2009. The sammans are given 3-4 persons every year in the different language on the basis of recommendation of experts committees constituted for the purpose. The first Bhasha Samman was awarded to Sri Dharikshan Mishra for Bhojpuri and Sri Bansi Ram Sharma and Mr. M.R. Thakur for Pahari, Himachali, or Sri K. Jatapparai and Sri Mandara Keshava Bhatt for Tulu and Sri Chandrakanta Murasingh for Kokbork for their contribution to develop their own respective language. Now next we will discuss about leadership awards. There are 2 awards in this category, that is first one Gandhi Peace Prize Awards and Indira Gandhi Prize. Gandhi Peace Prize Award, the International Gandhi Peace Prize named after Mahatma Gandhi, is awarded annually by Government of India. As a tribute to ideal espoused by Gandhi, the Government of India launched the International Gandhi Peace Prize in 1995 on the occasion of the 125th birth anniversary of Mohandas Gandhi. This is the annual award given to individual and institution for their contribution towards social, economic and political transformation through non-violence and other Gandhian methods. The award carries 1 crore, means 10 millions in cash and convertibly in any currency in the world, and the citation and the plaque. It is the open for all persons regardless to nationality, race, creed and sex. A jury consisting of Prime Minister of India, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha and the Chief Justice of India and 2 other eminent persons decide the award each year. Gandhi Peace Prize. This is the memento given to Gandhi Peace Prize awardee. And first awardee of Gandhi Peace Prize is 1995, that is Julius Cambridge Nairi. And it is a transition statesman who served as the leader of Tanzania from 1960 until his retirement in 1985. And recently in 2014, this award goes to ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, the space agency of Indian government, objective to advance space technology and deliver the application of it. It is very important information for you for this examination. Next prize leadership awards are Indira Gandhi Prize. Indira Gandhi Prize or the Indian Indira Gandhi Peace Prize or Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, disarmament of development in the prestigious award awarded annually by India. It is conferred to individuals and organization in recognition of creativity efforts towards the promoting international peace, development and a new international economic order, ensuring that the scientific discoveries are used for the large good humanity and enlarging the scope of freedom. The prize carries of cash award 2.5 million Indian rupee and a citation. A return work in order to the eligible for consideration should have been published. The panel constituted by the Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust consists of prominent national international personalities including previous recipients. The recipients are chosen from the pool of national and international nominees. And the first recipient award of Indira Gandhi Prize, Peace Prize, that is a parliamentarian international organization of parliamentary. In 1978, it was established and he got the prize of Indira Gandhi Peace Prize in 1986. And recently, in 2015, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee, which is established in 1950 and which is awarded in 2015. Particular award. The award is given for achievement in a particular field like a sports, cinema, medicine, etc. falls under this category. The major award is given in the field of sports as follows. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sporting honor of Republic of India. The first recipient of the award was chess grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand, who was honored for the performance in the year 1991-1992. Next, Dronacharya Award. Dronacharya Award is award to present by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India for excellence in sports coaching. The award comprises a bronze statue of Dronacharya, a scroll of honor, a cash component of 7 lakh. The award is instituted in 1985. O.M. Nimbiar is the first Indian athletics coach who has awarded Dronacharya Award in 1985. Arjun Award. Arjun Award was instituted in 1961 as the national recognition for outstanding performance in sports and the games in Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Cup, World Championship, disciplines and cricket. Dhyanchand Award. Dhyanchand Award is India's award for lifetime achievement in sports and games, given by Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The award is named after the legendary Indian hockey player Dhyan Chand. The award was initiated in 2002 and carries a cash prize of 5 lakh rupees, a plaque and scroll of honor. The major award is given in the field of cinema is as follows. National Film Award is the most prominent film award ceremony in India. Established in 1954, it has been administered along with the International Film Festival of India, the Indian Panorama by the Indian government's Directorate of Film Festivals since 1973. Every year, the national panel appointed by the government selects the winning entry, and the award ceremony is held in New Delhi, where the President of India presents the award. This is followed by the inauguration of National Film Festival, where the award-winning films are screened for the public, declared for the film produced in the previous year across the country. They hold the distinction of awarding merit to the best of Indian cinema overall, as well as presenting award for the best films in each region and language of the country. Due to the national scale of National Film Awards, it is considered the Indian equivalent of American Academy Awards. Next film award, that is Dadasaheb Phalke Award, is the India's highest award in cinema. It is presented annually in the National Film Award ceremony by the Directorate of Film Festival, an organization set up by the Ministry for Information and Broadcasting. The recipient is honored for their outstanding contribution to the growth and development of Indian cinema, and is selected by the committee consisting of eminent personalities from the Indian film industry. As of 2014, the award comprises a Swarna Kamal, means golden lotus, Swarna Kamal, that is golden lotus medallion, shawl and cash prize of 1 crore. 10 lakh. Here are some Maharashtra State Awards. Maharashtra State Film Award, Maharashtra Bhushan Award, Shivachatrapati Award, Filmfare Marathi Award, Udyana Pandit Award. Maharashtra State Film Award, the state selected a best film in the Filmfare Award and the best actor and actress. Maharashtra Bhushan Award given in all fields like a social and film, and the best work in Maharashtra they are known as Maharashtra Bhushan. Shiva Chhatrapati Award also given the Warrior or Bravery Award in Maharashtra state. Filmfare Marathi Awards, Marathi films. Maharashtra is a basically regional language Marathi. That's why for Marathi movies they gave a Filmfare Marathi Awards. Udyan Pandit Award, the work in a gardener is the best work they selected as a Udyan Pandit. Okay, so here are the whole information about the awards, or some awards are I will post it in your WhatsApp group after the video, or some more international awards are there, so still they are included in the award form. Okay, here are some list, just go through it the list and also solve the worksheet which are given following the video. Okay, see you in next GK class. Bye students.